This 2017 Palomino Puma 3.2 RKTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This used Palomino is 36 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a dark brown interior, sleeps 6, air conditioning, microwave, skylight, LP detector, Colorado detector, external shower, spare tire kit, self-contained, TV antenna, smoke detector, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Palomino Puma 3.2 RKTS is 7,839 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.